Morning, San Antonio. Hey, flipping San Antonio back in effect. Hey, we're out here at 1520 Virginia. Hey, this is a really cool house. It's all brick, and it's right next door to a school district. What I like about this house is though, the outside structure, like I said, it's brick. You don't find that many homes over here on the east side. This is Denver Heights over here that are looking like this. This whole street on Virginia Street is pretty much like that. But anyway, we've already started doing some work to it. Come on in and let's have a good morning. Let's see what we got going on. One of my walkers walking by, he don't want to be in the camera. Come on, y'all. Nah, it's one of these houses that when I first saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta have it. And then when we walk inside, it's crazy because, go ahead. It's crazy because the house is cool. I mean, look at this house, but there's always those things that you run into, you never know. And so when we got in here, if you see, they've got the framing. And when we went to demo, it's all stucco. And I know some people are like, why would you take it off? We want to redesign this home. We want to give it an open floor plan. So we have to take these walls down. We're going to remove this wall. This is, of course, the entry in the living room. See the fireplace here. Then, of course, what we're going to do is we have a big entry here, that dining room. So we got to take all this down, redesign it. Really cool. It has an upstairs, has a basement. We can't do what we did on the last one with the basement because down here in this basement, that's where they have the AC unit. That's where they have the new water heater down there. So we can't really do that right now. But I just wanted to show you guys this so you get an idea of what is going on in our projects. And this is another home that we just picked up. And like I said, there's always something going on. House might be different, but the process is the same. This process means that we have to take this stucco out. And it's just another thing that we have to live with doing flipping. So you never know until you get behind the walls, basically is what I'm saying. So we're gonna end up taking all this stucco off. You see you got the metal here, you got everything getting in close. This is not regular sheetrock, guys. This is not sheetrock. This is stucco. So they stuccoed all these walls. And another good thing about it, this house is the windows are brand new windows. So we don't have to do a lot of work to it, but we got to put our special touch on it. We've got to put our special touch on it and bring it back to life. But it's really cool. So we're gonna let those guys do what they gotta do, and then we're gonna go to another house that we just bought. We have to walk through that. Guys haven't started there, but I want to at least let you see what it looks like now. And then when we get done, check it out. It's gonna be tight. But we're not gonna do a full walkthrough right now, because like I said, we got a lot of work to do. But it's gonna be a nice house. What we're gonna try to do is, if you notice this over here, all this wood, all these wood doors and this wood trim, we're really gonna try to save it and try to preserve a lot of it as much as we can, because it gives the house character. It goes along with the brick. So we're gonna try to save all these doors, and then we're gonna try to reuse the trim and everything in the doors, so that we can keep some of the natural history of the home. But this is just another thing that we try to do to cut down on cost and just put it back into the house. Like I said, guys, house might be different, process is still the same. We still gotta do all of our permits, we still gotta do all the things we gotta do, but I'm really excited about this because I'm gonna tell you a story about this house. About a year ago when I first started, I wanted to buy this house, and Jim said he didn't want to sell it, but he called me about 3 weeks ago and asked me if I was still ready, looking for his house. So that's how we got this house, and we bought it for $118. We'll probably put in about $70,000, $80,000 worth of renovation, And then hopefully, of course, after that, let the market does what it does. But we've got to do our things. You know, we're going to try to give you the whole scope of work that we do. And with my team and everybody, I think you're going to like it. San Antonio, I tell you, man, the best thing to do about this job is find the ugliest house on the ugliest street. Well, I tell you what, we found one. Flipping San Antonio, man, we found the ugliest house. This is address 2646. Look at this house, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Follow me, come on back. So we got a lot of work going on. It looks like we've been demoing already. We've been throwing some things away, but wait till you see this. Antonio, this is what we're doing. Like I said, we found the ugliest houses. This house here was terrible, terrible. I know you guys like, well, why don't you just demo it, knock it down? Nah, because I tell you what, we can preserve some of this. We got a good base here with the cement. We got a good roof line. I know it doesn't look like it, but right now what they're doing is they're leveling. This thing was all the way to the ground. So we're bringing it up. We've already demoed a lot of this stuff. And when we get done, you know it's gonna look like San Antonio. You know, we ain't gonna play no games. It's gonna look nice, it's gonna look beautiful. But I just wanted to show you this so you can see, man, we don't just work on good stuff. We don't work on bad stuff. We work on ugly stuff. But this is 2646 East Commerce Street. And wait till you see what we do to this one. But what they're doing right now, they're leveling it. And because this thing was on the floor. So we're trying to salvage as much as we can. You know, that's what you do in this business. You know, we're not in new construction, we're in restoration. And, you know, renovating the homes is what we do. So this is one of the ugliest. You know, but I always say this. This is that girl that nobody wants to take to the prom until they see her dressed up. Then they're like, damn, who is that? Because she came up to be that, you know, that ugly duckling became that swan that night. This is at home. This is that Cinderella. I'm telling you right now, wait till we get done with it. It's gonna look nice, it's gonna be beautiful, and everybody's gonna be like, damn, that was at home. Yes, that's gonna be 2646. So follow us, San Antonio. See what we do. We're gonna take this ugly home and make it something, make it look real good. And I think you guys will be surprised. Well, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna keep this structure. It's pretty good structure if you look inside. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this structure. We're bringing this one up to be at the level of this, and then what we're gonna do is just gonna build. We're gonna go straight back and build, tie it into each other, and then design it and do what we do. Flipping San Antonio, we're here to stay, baby. Here on the east side, 78210, 78202, 78203. This is what we do our thing, man. Hey, if you ain't followed us before, you know, follow us at KeithJonesRealEstate.com, Instagram, Facebook. You know, give us a shout out, man. We'll holler back at you. So this is all these, hey, all you real flippers, we representing down here. So you know what? Follow us. Hey, I want to give a shout out to all my boys at the gym, man. Goals, hey, man, this is what we do. You know what I'm talking about? All you guys that follow us at Goals Gym, man, I really appreciate you. All my guys that follow me, and you know, when we're working out, you guys will keep on asking me some questions. And I just want to tell you hello, what's up? I appreciate you guys following us. You know, and our marketing team, they do a great job. You know, he's here right now, but we're gonna give you some shots of this ugly ass house, and we can go from there. Hey, check us out. We got some stuff going on right now, man. We got some stuff on the market. So we really appreciate you guys following us. Put the word out. Flipping San Antonio's here to stay. We really appreciate it. Peace out. I'm out of here, man. I'm gone.